Hello, everyone. Hi, Ada. Hi, Iggy. Hi, Rosie. Let's learn to garden today with Ada and her friends. Now, Ada isn't sure what she needs in order to grow a plant. Well, can you help her? Oh, yay! There's 3 main ingredients plants need in order to grow. What's the first thing we need in order to grow a plant? Here's a bag of soil and some baking soda. Which one of these things is necessary for a plant to grow? Oh, soil! That's right. Plants grow in dirt. We'll need a bag of soil to help our plant grow. Soil helps plants grow because it's full of nutrients. Oh, what's the next thing we need to grow a plant? Here's a jug of milk and a watering can. Which one of these things is necessary for a plant to grow? Water! You're right! Plants need water to grow. Plant seedlings are made up of mostly water and get thirsty just like us. Great job picking out the water and soil. We're almost ready. Now, there's just one last thing we need. This is a tricky one. Any ideas? Here's a hint. What could be all the way up in the sky that plants need to grow? Oh, it looks like Ada has an idea of what it could be. Do you have any ideas? The sun! Da-da-da-da! The sun provides plants with energy. We'll need to make sure to place our plants where they can get enough sunlight. Sun-tastic job, everyone! You're helping plants grow. Now, we have 3 main tools we need in order to grow a plant: water, soil, and sunlight. And don't forget the most important part, the plant. I think we're ready to do some gardening. Now that we have all the main ingredients needed to grow our plant, we can start planting. So, let's dig a hole for this plant to live in. Wow, great job digging, Ada. How should Ada plant this plant? Leaf side down? No, that would be silly-nilly. Leaves collect sunlight, and the roots collect food from the soil. So I suggest we do this. Roots go down first. Now, how should Rosie pack the dirt down? Should she stomp it down nice and firm? Nope, that will hurt our plant and bacteria buddies. Water, worms, and our roots need space to grow, so we should pat it down nice and gentle. Oh, wow, good job being gentle, Rosie. How much water should Iggy use? Should we dump out the whole can? No. That's just asking for trouble. We'll water it just until our soil is moist. Great, just like that. Perfect job, Iggy. Great job, friends. This plant is gonna grow really well. Now all it needs is time. Whoa! Look at how well our plant has grown. You guys gave it all the love and care it needed. Great job, everyone. Let's garden again soon.